Today I'm going to be seeing how fast I can chug 80 ounces of Pepsi Zero with burping. That's right, this is the YES Burp soda chug because there's obviously no way I'm going to be able to chug 80 ounces of Pepsi Zero without burping. These are highly carbonated, so there definitely will be burping in this challenge. You guys already know I love my speed chug challenges. The whole point of this is to see how fast I can chug it. This is a subscriber requested video. One of you guys wanted me to do this because you guys obviously love to watch me torture myself. This right here is just torture. I'm just torturing myself right here, and you guys love it. Before I chug all of this Pepsi right here, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. There's over 2 liters of soda pop. This is a YES Burp soda chug. There's always a no burp soda chug, so I decided to do a YES Burp soda chug. Let's go. 80 ounces of Pepsi Zero in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. In. Go. This is hard. Alright, so I'm just gonna edit that part out because that was honestly embarrassing. I have the weakest burps ever. There you have it, 80 ounces of Pepsi Zero down. I may or may not have the weakest burps on this planet. Please don't roast me in the comments. Make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. Over 50 likes, I'll do 2 liters of Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke or something like that. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. We're on the road to 2K. That honestly felt brutal. Comment down below other videos you guys want to see. And yeah, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm going to end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe if you need to stay lit. And always stay lit. We'll see you guys in the next one. And we're out. Imagine I brought that back. I feel like people would hate me. I love it anyways.